to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the street property location, it is done nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy guest. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 3. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. The categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Travel deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. On your review, follow the description link. This property is like we will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel, then you subscribe our channel